Many people are feared dead in Borno State after flood had submerged some communities in Maiduguri. The flood also rendered many people homeless, forcing others to relocate to safer places. Kurutsi Bitrus captured the affected areas in this report.
The torrential rains and expected floods in some northern states of Nigeria came to reality for most communities in Maiduguri metropolis. The fast-moving water waves swept through hundreds of houses, farmlands and shops, denying residents freedom of movement within their locality. The devastating disaster, some say, may have claimed 15 lives in flood-prone areas. It has caused panic and fear, with residents relocating to safer places while others are nursing the plan, especially for Mohammed Abubakar, a tea vendor close to the water bank. Okay. The rising level of the flood is making me scared, and many people have left the area. This has affected my business. I'm planning to pack out from here. We urge the government to intervene before it gets worse. The flood filled 3 of my houses. If not for I and some residents piled these bags of sands to avoid the water entering our house, it would have been a problem. I saw 3 dead bodies floating. Some say the water has killed 15 people. We pray that the flood reduces because it will spell doom for businesses and destroy properties. We heard that they will release the Lagdo Dam, so we are so much afraid. Many people are watchful and hoping that the floods does not submerge the whole city and make life unbearable for them. They also believe that the rainy season drawing close to its end, the floods will gradually disappear. Bitrus Kuruti, Viewer Television News, Maiduguri.